going on, YouTubers? Welcome to the death of a Hoover. So here we have, step back here, so here we have, welcome you guys to a Hoover. Don't know if you guys can notice that, but there you guys go. I'll plug it in for you guys here in a minute. Here you guys can see, it's called a tech drive or a T. Okay, so I'll turn this on for you guys in a minute, but if you guys cannot see that, that does not work. Okay, so what we're going to do today to it is what I've been planning on doing to it today. Okay, so I've been having like I said, I've been having a real bad day. I don't think I said that, but I've been having a real bad day. Okay, so I put some pieces in it earlier. Let's see what it sounds like when I put some pieces in it. Here I'm gonna tap the pieces down into it. Okay, so here we go, guys. If you're wearing headphones, take them off, like I said before. This thing is a beast of a hot rod. I'm letting you know that this thing is a beast of a hot rod. Just telling you. Just so you know. Just so you know. That's not good. I just start shooting straight dust and sparks. I'm done. Nah, that sounds like a straight bitch, too. Alright, excuse my language, but I'm done. Scared the fuck out of me. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck that. Fuck that. That motherfucker is fucking done. But it sounds like a motherfucking horse. I mean, literally a motherfucking filthy horse. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. Okay. Oh shit. It says to roll. It's told not to roll. Okay. So here we go. So, like I just, you just heard that. This motherfucker decided to turn back on when it's supposed to turn back on. And it's trying to burn through the cord. And that's no good sign. Yeah, plug that. Come on. Okay. So, I'm really trying to figure out what the hell's inside of this. Okay. So, sorry, but I'm trying to figure out what the fuck's inside of this thing. That thing. So, we're trying to figure out what is inside of that. So as you guys may or may not know, that motherfucker shot sparks. I mean, hella sparks. I mean, for a vacuum, that vacuum shouldn't be. I mean, yeah. Okay, where'd the fucking hammer go? Okay. Okay. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Okay. Oh. Apparently I don't dent it. Of course. No one dents it in here. Oh. You know what just dented it there? Oh. Okay. Let's crack it. There we go, guys. Alright. Oh damn. So yeah. Okay. So let me get some. I think I come off with this now. Okay, so I'm back. I got something that maybe help me. That maybe might help me. Man, oh man, guys, the thing stunk. Alright, I'm taking this thing off. Buy me a sweatband for it. Oh, guys. Sorry guys, this fucking noise dick. There. I'm sorry guys. Alright, door. You're gonna stay open. Hoover's gonna stay right there. Now I got something on here. Fucking Hoover. Break. There we go, guys. There we go. Oh, guys, I almost got it. Alright, so let's see something. We're going to stand this boy up, and we're going to see something. So guys, guess what? I have a old-fashioned Eureka vacuum. Does anybody see one of those older class style Eurekas? If anyone has, let me know. I have to take this screw out. Let's see how long I'm recording for. And let's see how long I'm recording for.
Voiceover on. Camera. Stop. 16. Viewfinder.